Hello, I'm David Settles, Jessup Mine Manager, and I come to you today to provide an introduction to the Jessup mining operation, the company, and the positions that are currently available that we're looking to hire. Now, to tell you a little bit about Chemours, our purpose is to help create a colorful, capable, and cleaner world through the power of chemistry. Uh, Chemours is a large global company with 7,000 employees worldwide, servicing customers in 120 countries. Now, when you heard me say that we want to produce a capable and colorful world, when I say colorful, I mean that Chemours is the largest paint pigment producer in the world. To make titanium-based paint pigment, you need titanium feedstock. Uh, Chemours purchases titanium sand and titanium ores from various different customers and mine locations across the world. Uh, Roughly 10% of their titanium feedstock comes from Northeast Florida and Southeast Georgia. Southern Onyx Minerals and the Chemours Company have been operating mining operations in the Southeast Georgia area. Chemours since 1948 in the Stark, Florida area. Southern Onyx Minerals since 2013. We have a mining operation near Nahunta. We have a mineral processing and finishing facility in Offerman, Georgia. And the Jessup mine, which is slated to come online this year, will also produce heavy mineral products for Chemours. Again, the titanium mineral sand products that we produce are used internally, vertically integrated for the production of paint pigment by the Chemours Company. We do produce other minerals, including zircon, starlite, and kyanite, that are used by various different customers in industrial applications. So to tell you a little bit more about Jessup, it's an $85 million investment. It will require 75 total full-time employees to run 24-hour a day, 7-day a week mineral processing and mining operations. That 75 includes myself. So we have quite a heavy lift to hire the remaining positions to be able to staff that mine. The types of roles that we're looking to fill include mechanics, electricians, heavy equipment operators, plant operators, what we call field crew, which are site services. They manage pipe and pump relocations, as well as land clearing and reclamation. Benefits that we're going to provide include medical, dental, vacation, paid holidays. We do have parental bonding leave, retirement savings, as well as tuition reimbursement. Now, where is this site located? What's on the screen now is actually a mine plan for the Amelia A portion of the mine site. And I'm going to zoom in to an inset map. So here you see downtown Jessup. Amelia A is roughly 3 years in life. Amelia B is an additional 5 years. And we're in the process of leasing neighboring landowners, as well as a large landowner to the south. We expect this mining operation to be 15 to 18 years, depending on economic factors and conditions that will allow us to continue to operate. This is a great new business opportunity. Chemours is committed to it. We're investing $85 million into a processing plant facility here, so we intend to be here a long time. Like I did mention before, we are running a 24-hour a day, 7-day a week operation. The way that we staff that is we run 4 shifts of 10 people. We use what's called the DuPont shift. Under the DuPont shift, you'll rotate from nights and days. Your shifts are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. or 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., depending on if you're on nights or days. A typical month may look like this, where you have 4 nights in a row, 3 days off, 3 days in a row, 1 day off, 3 nights in a row, 3 days off, 4 straight days, and then once a month you will have 7 straight days off. This shift is preferred by most of our employees because it allows you to adjust between night and day, and it facilitates a good work-life balance with providing a full week off once a month. And again, we do provide vacation, so you can schedule your vacation around your 7 days off to extend it out to 9 to 10 days off to spend time with your family and to take care of any personal needs that you may have. So with that, that's going to complete the introduction to the Jessup site. And I look forward to speaking to you in the interview process. And feel free to write down and bring any questions that you may have.
Hello, I'm Kelly with Rainier Advanced Materials Jessup Plant. I hate we couldn't attend your career fair in person, but we commend the efforts by those coordinating this virtual version. I'll quickly review what we make, our history, and a little bit about what it's like to work at the Jessup plant. First, let's start with what we don't make. We don't make paper. We don't make printer paper. We don't make writing paper. We don't make cardboard, bags, or toilet paper. Our finished product is not sold directly to consumers. It is sold to other manufacturers who use it in their manufacturing process that eventually turn into consumer products that you're more familiar with, like the film layer on your LCD TV and smartphone, sausage casings, time-release medicines, the thickening agent in shampoo and laundry soap, tire cord and air filtration in your vehicle, sponges, and some food. Rayonier began in Shelton, Washington as Rayonier Pulp and Paper in 1926. In 1939, the Fernandina Beach facility came online, and in 1954, the Jessup plant began operations. In 2017, Rayonier Advanced Materials acquired a similar Canadian-based company called Tenbec, which increased our global footprint with facilities in Canada and France. The manufacturing facilities closest to us are the Jessup plant and our Fernandina plant in Fernandina Beach, Florida. The Jessup plant is comprised of 3 separate mills. The original A mill, which opened in 1954, followed with B mill in 1957, and C mill in 1972. The Jessup plant has approximately 750 employees. Right now, 758. Over 600 of those are hourly workers, and around 136 of those are salaried workers. The average years of service is 16 years, but many stay over 30, even 40. The average salary is approximately $61,000, and employees work towards 4 weeks of vacation. We also have other benefits such as retirement, 401k, and health benefits. This next slide outlines the many different departments inside the Jessup plant and many of the types of jobs that we have. All are very important in successful plant operations. Major departments include utilities, the pulp mill, the machines finishing warehouse, of course our maintenance. Then we have technical and quality, environmental, engineering, human resources, safety, accounting, IT, and the administrative roles. And positions include operators, which work in many of those major departments, electrician and instrumentation techs, machinists, millwrights and pipe fitters. Then there's area department management, engineers, accountants, admin assistants, stores clerks, safety engineers. These images show some of our departments. The pictures on the left, the white rolls, that is what our finished product looks like, and that is what we send to our customer. The top right is many of the piping and the tanks and the cable trays and the electrical that we work on here. And we also have heavy equipment operators to move our chips. Also on site in Jessup, we have a world-class research facility. Our scientists develop new products, find new uses for current products, and help customers if they experience an issue with something that we've sent them. Also in the marketing and research building are our transportation and sourcing employees. Our transportation team gets our product from here to our customers all over the world, and our sourcing team helps us to purchase goods and services that we need to make our world-class product. Lines of progression with our hourly employees. For hourly employees, each department is broken down into subdepartments. Each subdepartment has operator levels, starting with the most junior operator at the bottom and the most senior operator at the top. To progress, as one person leaves the sub-department, whether through a transfer or a retirement, the employees below him move up and receive a pay increase once they reach the next operator level. So once they move up in the line of progression, their pay also moves up. The Jesup plant runs 24/7, 365, nights, weekends, and every holiday. Hourly workers work our shift schedule. Those shifts are from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and then 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. The advantages of shift work is that these rotating shifts result in days off before changing shifts. So days off are built into your schedule. And if you do have to work a holiday, you are paid well for working that holiday. Of course, the disadvantage of working on a shift is that you are working on a holiday or the weekends. Attributes that we look for in new employees: safety conscious, driven, eager to learn, honest, confident, and hardworking. Minimum qualifications for our entry-level positions include 2 years of industrial experience or 3 years of military experience, a high school diploma or equivalent, and ability to work those rotating shifts. Depending on the type of position that you are applying for, there may be other requirements as a degree in various fields. Next is an online assessment, and then a phone screen with a recruiter, an on-site interview with the recruiting team, generally people from that department, and then an on-site tour. Rayonier Advanced Materials offers a scholarship to up to 6 high school seniors within a 45-mile radius of either Jesup or Fernandina Beach facility. The scholarship is a total of $10,000 spread out over 4 years and includes a paid internship at either one of our facilities. The students must enroll in a relevant engineering program at select schools. The scholarship process opens in October. For all positions that are open with Rayonier Advanced Materials in our entire company, not just the Jesup plant, you can visit www.rayonieram.com/careers. From there, the application process is completed completely online. If you have any questions, please give us a call.